All right, today we're here working on a 70 Mustang that is unlike any you have ever seen. This is a beautiful car. It is getting back on the road after 20 years, sir?
Yeah, 20 years.
20 years
Plus.
It is got some room to fit some monster meats. And it is going to be beautiful. Today we did that. In order to get your master cylinder out, your brake booster has to come loose because it hits the shock towers coming out. That ended up being bad, so good thing we got that out. We got that out. The portioning valve is out. Big hole where it all belongs. And when we get the parts, they'll go back together. And this is not my garage today, but this is Ken.